Hello Sudoku friends, welcome with this additional of today's newspaper of Wednesday, September the 2nd, 2020. We have here a Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 4 stars, a tectonic, and a binary. Total of 5 extra Sudokus. And the first one is a Sudoku with 1 star. Let me focus this. Yes. Smaller, yes. Alright, and this Sudoku, the first Sudoku, will be number 1450. Yes, 1450. And I always count the printed numbers, so you have an indication of the difficulty level. The 1 star Sudoku has always 27. Let me count if this is correct. We have here 3 plus 4, 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. 14, 18 plus 3 is equal to 21. 24, 25 plus 2 is equal to 27. So correct. Let's get started. Alright. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about yeah, which number can I pick? Alright. How about the 4 in this column? 4 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in the first row. 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 4, I believe. No, need to wait. How about the 1 in this row? 1 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places for the 1 here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row, so in the first row, the only 2 places for the 1 here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 1. How about in this column, 4 missing numbers, 1 of the missing numbers and 5. We see here 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here or could be there. We see here already a 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so in the row below. The only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next, so in the last column, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row, so in the first row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only 3 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. Only place for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used, I can see. Yes, digit number 1. Then let me see. 8 in this column, 8 in the last column. So the column between, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place for the 8 should be there. And then I cannot continue with the 8. Need more information. 3, 9, 7. Yeah. 7, 9, 6. No. In this row, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We see here 3 in this big square, so no 3 in those two boxes. So the 3 could be here or could be there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. And then let me think. How about 6? 7, 9. Yes, 3 missing numbers in the third row. Those numbers are the 7, the 6, and the 2. We see here 7 and a 6 in this column, so no 7 and a 6 in this box. So the 7 and a 6 goes in those two boxes. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 7 goes in there. 1 box left in this row for the number 2. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 6. I cannot fill this yet, but though this is a pair, 9 and a 6. I marked them for you, so it's easier to follow. 9 and a 6. That means the other two numbers in the first column are the numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, I cannot fill this yet. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in this box. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 1 box left in this column for the number 3. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 9. I cannot fill this yet, but I marked them for you. It's a pair, 9 and a 7. This is also a pair in this column for the numbers 9 and 8. No, 8 we have. 9 and 1. I need 9 and a 1. Yes, it's a pair. 9 and 1. 9 and 1. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 9 and a 1. 2, 3, 8, 4, 3. Yes. Alright. So 3 missing numbers now. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 4 goes in these 2 boxes because we have a 4 here or there, no 4 there. 4, the 9 is missing, 9, 9, and the 7 is missing. Could be everywhere. These 2 numbers in this big square for the 9 and the 7. We have a 7 here, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Now we have a 9 here, so this cannot be a 9 anymore. This should be the 9, and this should be a 6. 1 number left in the second row for the number 6. These 3 numbers should be the 2, the 3, and the 8. 2, 3, and an 8. Cannot fill this yet, need to wait. Yeah. 4, 4. These 2 numbers, 3 numbers, the 3 missing numbers, 9, 7, and 2. We see here 2, no 2 there, here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. 9 and the 7 are left. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes and there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 7. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so in the row above. The only place for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes and there. Then 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7. No 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below, so in the last row, the only 2 places for the 7 here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 2, 2 numbers left in this column. 1, 2, 3 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 2. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. 9 and 2. That means in this column, 2 numbers left, 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We see here 2, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 9. 3 numbers left in this big square. The 1, the 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be there. The 1 is missing, and the 6 is missing. Let me mark them. It's a pair, 1 and a 6. Alright. 1, 3, 1, 3, and 8. 1, 3, and 8. 1. Yeah. 4, 4, 4. 1, 6, and 3. Alright. 1 we have here, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 6, 3, 4, 6, 3, 4, 6. No, I cannot fill this yet. 2, 8, 2, 8, 3, 2, 8, 3. Yes. One of the missing number in this big square is a 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 8 and 3, we see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column. For the numbers 1 and 3, we see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be the 9. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 9 here or there, we see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be a 6. 1 number left in this row, the last row for the number 6. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 4. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 8 and 6. 8 and 6, we see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second Sudoku. It will be a 2-star Sudoku. So see you later. Bye bye for now.